prettiest thing you ever saw, but it sure gets
The Geovator will depart for the bottom of the well in 30 seconds. Please step aboard.
The Geovator
Will depart for the bottom of the well in 20 seconds. Please step aboard.
The
Geovator will depart for the bottom of the well in 10 seconds. Please step aboard.
Please stay
Clear of the doors. The Geovator is now departing.
All systems online.
Hi, I'm Captain Mercaptain. Welcome aboard the Geovator. You are now directly over the borehole of a 7,285-foot well.
Cell phones turned off.
I'm driving this thing from the cockpit right below you. Our downhole tests indicate we may have hit a pay zone. We're going to take this marvel of engineering here to the bottom of the well and find out. Hold on up there.
Cell phones
Going
off.
down. The steel wall out there is a surface casing. It protects the groundwater from drilling mud and keeps dirt and softer rock near the surface from caving into the borehole.
1,000 feet.
The test has started.
2,000 feet.
We're slowing down after finally getting past the surface casing.
3,000
3,000
feet.
feet. That's limestone out there, a sedimentary rock that could make a good reservoir. Now we're passing a series of shales, shaly sands, and limestones. 3,500 feet of them, representing millions of years of geologic history. That's a shale. That's a shaly sand, limestone, shale, limestone. You get the idea.
5,000 feet.
We're entering an impermeable shale layer, the seal, just above our reservoir. We're at 6,800 feet. Our well logs tell us this next layer should be the pay zone. Black gold, Texas tea, or maybe some natural gas. Let's stop and have a look.
Reservoir.
Let's see what's out there.
Reservoir reached.
Warning. Hatch open.
Solid rock. Not a pool of oil. But the microscopic holes in it are filled with oil. That right there, that's Texas tea. This looks like a pretty good well. A really good well, in fact. Now we've got to put in the production casing. That's a pipe that goes all the way from the surface down through the reservoir. It keeps the well from caving in and gives the oil and gas a dependable path back up to the surface. Here it comes now. Once the casing is in place, we use cement to seal the space between the casing and the borehole. The cement isolates the production zone from water zones. That'd be the cement. As you can see, the cement comes down the inside of the casing and then goes up the outside. Now all we have to do is wait for the cement to harden. Well, that was quick. Now, it gets interesting. The oil and gas can't flow up the well yet because, as you can see, the casing and cement are in the way. To fix this little problem, we use a big metal tube that fires high explosive shaped charges, like anti-tank weapons, through the casing and cement and out into the formation. This rather serious piece of equipment is a perforating gun. But instead of bullets, it fires those shaped charges. Here it comes now.
Warning. Perforating gun.
Perforating gun.
The gun is right above us. Stand by to perforate. You might want to cover your ears.
Southwest Airlines, the symbol of freedom.
Complete. Everybody all right? The holes, or perforations, now go deep into the reservoir rock. Because of the tremendous pressure down here, the oil and gas should flow through them up to the surface. Let's see how it's doing.
Warning, hatch open.
It seems like it's a little bit slow. Looks like we're gonna have to do a frac job. If you like perforation, you're gonna love this. Sometimes when a well won't flow after perforation, you have to give it just a little bit more help. Frac is short for hydraulic fracture. A liquid under extremely high pressure carrying sand is pumped down the casing. It goes out the perforations and cracks the rock like an earthquake. At the surface right now, about 50 trucks are pumping liquid down the well all at once. Brace yourselves. The earth is going to move. Everything's under control, folks. No problem.
Houston, Texas, March 27, 2012.
The shock from the frac job just knocked us offline for a minute.
All systems online.
Let's see if fracturing the well did the trick. Let's
Now look.
see. Here goes. Ready, tight. Ready, tight. It did the trick. This oil is going to flow. And we're going up with it. Hang on.
We're going home.
All right.
4,000 feet. 3,000 feet. 2,000 feet. 1,000 feet.
Gate valve reached.
Well, well, well. That's a little oil field humor for you. Well, well. Anyway, that'd be the Christmas tree we just hit. It's there to control the oil flow. Good thing it did, huh? Hey guys!
Open up the valve.
What's out here? We got people down here.
We are home.
Surface.
You can turn on your cell phones.
Your trip and this well are now complete. Thanks for riding the Geovator. And keep us in mind the next time an oil well is part of your travel plans.
Please exit through
Testing
the
is over.
Thank you.
Alright. Jeez.
Please exit through the doors. Thank you.